Every great idea begins with a clear starting point. Here lies the power of change, of innovation. A thought begins its journey, simple and ingenious, and the unimaginable becomes reality. Time and time again, we at Leibinger challenge the conventions of an entire industry and create solutions that are simpler, smarter, more intelligent. Introducing the new IQJET, the very first intelligent coding and marking system worldwide. Trouble-free printing guaranteed. No matter what shape, no matter what surface. With IQ Print, the most intelligent ink management. When not in use, IQ Print automatically closes the print nozzle and lets the ink continue to circulate. No drying out, no clogging. Also thanks to Leibinger's unique printhead refresh function, which removes impurities at the press of a button. IQ Print ensures instant startup every time and stable, high-quality printing. Easy to use with Smart OS, the IQJet's intuitive operating concept, individually adjustable and clearly visible. Printing has never been this easy or this cost-effective, because smart efficiency minimizes not only your energy consumption, it also achieves up to 50% solvent recovery, protecting your health and the environment and saving money. Just like the XXL cartridges, they are quickly replaced and emptied down to the last drop. And finally, we're introducing Smart Care, printing 5 years without maintenance. The new IQJET. Intelligence on point.